Pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, what is it? This is a great question. In recent years, I was introduced to a technology that was developed in Europe and Asia. It's a technology that utilizes the pulsing of electromagnetic waves at a very, 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 very low level. But the frequency of the pulse appears to, based on over 3,000 studies in Europe and Asia, appears to be able to rejuvenate cells because these pulses are absorbed by the ATP, the source of energy in the cell, and sort of reinvigorates the cells. While initially quite skeptical when I heard this, I then spoke with several clinicians that I respect, and they were having extraordinary results. And so we've now incorporated this into the clinic, and we have found the same thing. It's quite extraordinary technology with no risk attached. Again, FDA has determined that that pulse is so low that it's imperceivable. Yet, that pulse, when it's specifically focused on particular aspects of the human body, it has hundreds of protocol options. It produces remarkable results. Studies now being conducted in the US, one last year, for example, had such success with anxiety disorders in adults that most of the participants in the study withdrew by the three-quarter point way in the study because they were having no current anxiety symptoms. That's unheard of in our field, of course. It's helped to explain it. But the bottom line is, for anxiety, depression, ADD, ADHD, aggressive disorders, and many physical conditions, the pulsed electromagnetic field therapy literature suggests that you will get very positive results, and we have found that to be true generally. But there are solid studies, many of them double-blind and other laboratory studies. So I encourage you to check it out. It's an incredible technology with remarkable capacity to bring about change.